Hello guys, welcome to AI mentorship program organized by Tech Genius Academy. In this video, I will guide you on how to create cinematic African animations using ChatGPT, View 3, and Canva. But before we go on, let's watch this video together.
Kelechi, let me tell you something important. Inside every one of us, there's a battle going on. Inside everyone, there are two spirits, like wolves, battling for control. One spirit brings anger.
Alright, so I believe you've seen that. So I'll guide you on how to create something like this or even better than this. So what's the first step? The first step is to go to your ChatGPT. The first step is to go to your ChatGPT. So we are going there right now. Okay, so this is my own ChatGPT account. For those who do not have a ChatGPT account, go to your Chrome, type in ChatGPT and sign up. Once you are signed up, it's going to bring you to an interface like this. So here, right here where you have ask anything right here. Okay, that's your chat box. Okay, here you are expected to describe the prompts you want ChatGPT to create for you. So a prompt is like an instruction given to an AI to tell it what you want it to do. So here's a sample of what a prompt look like. Okay, what you're looking at here is a prompt. These are prompts. Okay, but how did I get here? First, I have to create my idea. I have to know what I want ChatGPT to create for me. So here's what I actually want. Okay, so this is the description of what I want ChatGPT to do. So I'm just going to copy it. And paste it on my ChatGPT. Okay, so it's going to help me to generate the prompt for each scene. So it is this prompt that I'm going to use to generate my video. Okay, I believe you understand what I'm trying to say, but let me repeat that. You already have your idea in mind. So you're going to describe your idea and give it to ChatGPT to help you create the prompt for each scene. Alright, so after doing that, you copy the prompt from ChatGPT and go back to your notepad. And paste it there. Alright, so why are we pasting it? You are pasting it because ChatGPT also can make mistakes. So you want to go through the promptings and see that it's in line with the story you intend to create. So if you're not satisfied with it, you can adjust it yourself, edit it to your taste. And your own does not have to be Moana style. You can actually use Disney style, you can use Avatar style, you can use it to create anything you want to create, depending on what you have in mind. So after doing that, if the prompting given to you suits your satisfaction, if you are satisfied with it, then you are now going to copy it scene by scene and paste it on your view. So now let's look at an example of the one I have edited. Okay, so I have this is my scene 1. All right, so we want to generate this scene 1 first. So I'm just going to copy the prompting for the scene 1. Remember, you cannot copy everything at the same time because Veo can only enable you to generate 3 videos in a day, and it's just 8 seconds per video. So you want to create it scene by scene. All right, so after copying it, we go to our view. Now to get view, you just need to go back to your Chrome, then type view, then go to Google DeepMind. Sorry, it's like the network is faulty. All right. In the subsequent video, we are going to teach you on how to create a Veo account from the beginning, okay? But for the sake of this video, I will not be doing that. In the next video, I'm going to be taking us on how to create a Veo account for those of us who do not have a Veo account. So, alright, so it's going to bring us to an interface like this. So you paste what you have copied here. Okay, then you enter it and allow it to generate. This might take a while for it to generate. But while we are waiting for this to generate, at the end of this video, like I said earlier, I'll be dropping examples of prompts that we can use, to generate our own video. For example, I'll be dropping the prompt for the second scene of this storyline. So your task will be to also generate something like that, okay? So your first task is to use the description I will drop at the end of this video to create a prompt. All right, let me repeat that. Your first task will be to use the description I'll drop at the end of this video to create a prompt. Okay, so let's wait for our video to generate so that you can see what the first scene will look like. Like I said, also for view, you have the opportunity to create just 3 videos per day. So you want to be very strategic and intentional about the promptings you give it, so you don't waste your slots. Okay, so here we have our video, and so let's play it together and watch it.
Kelechi, let me tell you something important. Inside every one of us, there's a battle going on.
Okay, so if you use the prompting we have copied, you're going to have something like this. So I'm going to drop the prompts at the end of this video so that you can generate yours too. Okay, then after generating, ensure that you download it. All right, so I will be expecting your tax by the end of tomorrow.